Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth analysis and trusted breakdowns of the products that truly matter. In today's video, we're diving into what we believe is the best Hoshizaki replacement filter cartridge out there, the Hoshizaki 4HC-H. Whether you're running a business or just looking to upgrade your ice maker's performance at home, this cartridge could be exactly what you need. First off, what makes the Hoshizaki 4HC-H stand out? Well, let's talk about performance. This replacement cartridge is designed to keep your ice machine running at peak capacity while reducing the maintenance burden that often comes with mineral-heavy water. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to reduce limescale buildup, that sneaky culprit that not only clogs your machine but ruins the taste of your ice and, by extension, your drinks. With this cartridge installed, the difference in taste is not just noticeable, it's refreshing. Now let's talk specs. The Hoshizaki 4HC-H is a stainless steel cartridge that measures 3 inches in diameter and 15 inches in height, weighing about 1.57 pounds. It's solid, durable, and NSF 42 certified, meaning it's been tested and verified to reduce aesthetic impurities such as chlorine, taste, and odor. This means your ice comes out clean, crisp, and without that unpleasant chemical taste or smell. And it doesn't stop there. This filter also reduces sediments, rust, corrosion, and even inhibits bacterial growth. Yes, you heard that right. The 4HC-H has a bacteriostatic effect, which means it actively helps prevent bacterial development within the filter. That's peace of mind for you, your family, or your customers if you're in the food and beverage industry. The Hoshizaki 4HC-H is designed for versatility. Whether your system has a single, double, or triple filtration setup, this cartridge is compatible. It's recommended to replace the filter every 21,000 gallons or roughly every 6 to 12 months, depending on how much you use it in your local water quality. And if you're wondering about older models, yes, this is the official replacement for discontinued models like the HF, HFH, HC, and HCH filters. Just be aware, it's not suitable for flakers, and it's slightly shorter than the models it replaces. One more thing to consider is cost efficiency. Think about all the time and money spent on maintenance, repairs, or even replacing ice machines due to internal buildup. By installing a 4HC-H, you're not just protecting your equipment, you're making a smart, long-term investment in quality and reliability. So, who's this for? It's ideal for small businesses, restaurants, cafes, or even households with high ice usage. If you care about taste, hygiene, and machine longevity, this is a must-have. And with the stainless steel build and trusted Hoshizaki design, you know you're getting a product that's built to last. That wraps up today's review of the Hoshizaki 4HC-H replacement water filter cartridge. If you're in the market for a reliable, efficient, and effective filtration solution, this might just be your perfect match. Be sure to check the description for links and more specs. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another detailed product breakdown. See you in the next one.